Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ryan Argenti.
Certainly a drier and cooler day across the Susquehanna Valley, but the strong wind gusts will be kicking in as we get into later this afternoon, making it an impact day for today. But for this weekend, much more seasonable temperatures are in store. We are looking at a chance of a few showers early Saturday, and then getting into next week, spring-like temperatures across the board. We'll have mid-60s by the middle of the week, potentially challenging, potentially almost 70 degrees, especially this time around next Wednesday. Lancaster Skycam now, it's overcast across the majority of the Susquehanna Valley, 44 degrees, feels like 36 degrees with that west-northwesterly breeze right around 18 miles per hour. And we're going to continue to see this as we get through the rest of the day today. Again, impact day for the windy conditions for later today. That'll go into effect from 2 o'clock this afternoon till about 4 o'clock in the morning on Friday. So we'll have some sun and clouds as well as some mostly cloudy conditions. Certainly a cooler day today, 42 to 46 degrees. Partly cloudy, windy with wind chills into the low 20s, 30 to 34 for tonight. And getting into tomorrow, partly sunny. It'll be breezy and milder. Could see a stray rain or snow shower chance late going into tomorrow, 48 to 52 degrees for our temperatures. And the current temperatures at this point, we're 43 degrees in Lebanon, 43 in Harrisburg at this time. And with the sustained winds coming out of the northwest into the teens already, it makes it feel like the mid-30s for most areas and upper 30s in other spots as well, including Carlisle. You're sitting right around 37 degrees is what it feels like. And as we get into the rest or for the next 12 hours, as the winds begin to pick up and the temperatures cool, you can see we'll start to go more towards the lower 20s as we get into the overnight period. Storm Team Live Radar Network, we're seeing overcast conditions across the entire Susquehanna Valley, moving out and seeing just a little bit of wintry action towards the western parts of the Commonwealth now, but not really seeing many reports in terms of any light snow. But as we continue through the rest of this evening, getting into tonight, we're still seeing some partly cloudy conditions. We do start to clear up briefly for our Friday, but then here comes Friday evening. We do have a system that's going to push through, could spark up a stray shower chance late into Friday, right around 10 o'clock is when we're expecting that roughly, and then getting into Saturday morning, could see a stray shower as well getting into the morning hours. But we do start to clear up as we have some northwesterly flow coming in Saturday evening. So for the rest of the forecast, very mild conditions, especially getting into next week. We do spring forward 1 hour Saturday into Sunday. Very warm next week, 68 degrees next Wednesday, and another chance of showers for next Thursday. Back to you.